हमारे साथ में कनक वेडला रविंद्र कुमार हैं, टीडीपी के सीनियर लीडर हैं, फॉरेन मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट हैं और नेशनल इलेक्शन कोऑर्डिनेटर हैं। एनडीए के साथ में जो कोऑर्डिनेशन काम है वो भी आप देख रहे हैं। मिस्टर कनक वेडला रविंद्र कुमार, माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू इज दैट व्हेन मिस्टर नायडू इज गोइंग टू कम टू दिल्ली अगेन एंड what will be his schedule and priorities here?
Yesterday, NDA first meeting was conducted. Tomorrow, meeting is NDA meeting is scheduled tomorrow. Is coming tomorrow to participate in the NDA meeting, and after NDA meeting, NDA MPs meeting is also there. That's why he is coming tomorrow.
And people are waiting for the oath taking ceremony also in Andhra Pradesh. So as per your information, when that is going to happen, and he will also come here also when the Narendra Modi government will take oath for the third time.
Yes, our leader and Chief Minister designate will come and participate in the oath ceremony of the Prime Minister on 9th. First he will come tomorrow. Tomorrow NDA meeting he will participate, and then again he will come to oath ceremony.
On 9th. And sir, when the oath ceremony will happen in Andhra?
Andhra, probably on 11th, legislative party meeting is there. After that, next day, probably 12th, oath ceremony of Chandrababu Naidu is there in the state of Andhra Pradesh as Chief Minister. Fourth time. Fourth time.
Yes. And sir, there is one more question that is there any specific demand from your side in terms of ministries?
No question of demand. We are a part of NDA. It is People Alliance. If it is a post, there is no conditions imposed before or after. But deliberations will take place for the development of Andhra Pradesh. Since our primary target is to reconstruct the Andhra Pradesh, since it has gone back to 25 years under rule of dictator Jagan Mohan Reddy. That's why our demand is to reconstruct the Andhra Pradesh. For that purpose, necessary requests and help and assistance definitely we will seek from the central government.
The reconstruction of Amravati also will be a priority. It was a dream project of Mr. Naidu.
It is a part of reconstruction of Andhra Pradesh, which includes the construction of capital Amravati, construction of Polavaram project, national irrigation project, and recognized under AP Recognition Act. It's a national project. 100% funding by the central government only. But it has to be undertaken by the state government to complete the project. For that purpose, as the reconstruction includes irrigation projects, everything, what not, because there is nothing in the state of Andhra Pradesh. In the state of Andhra Pradesh was in debt trap, and more than 13 lakhs crores he borrowed right and left by the Jagan.
My final question to you is that do you also stick to the old demand of the special status to Andhra Pradesh?
That is, priorities will change. Our priority is to rebuild and reconstruct the Andhra Pradesh. It is first demand, first request, and we will take the assistance of the central government. In due course, our intention is to fulfill all the provisions made in AP Reorganization Act.
There is no precondition of a special status recognition?
No precondition for anything. You know, that's why I once again reiterate at the cost of repetition. Our alliance is People Alliance. The question of demand doesn't arise, the question of conditions does not arise.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस। तो हम बात कर रहे थे रविंद्र साहब से और उन्होंने बहुत ही क्लियर कहा है कि कोई प्री कंडीशन किसी तरह की नहीं है। स्टेट के डेवलपमेंट के लिए, रिकंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए सेंटर का सपोर्ट लेंगे और आगे का पूरा जो एजेंडा क्या है उसके बारे में बता रहे हैं। फिर सुनील पांडे के साथ अभिषेक उपाध्याय, एबीपी न्यूज़, दिल्ली।